Hello everyone. In this video, we learn about Management Accounting Unit 1. Unit 1 Introduction of Management Accounting. First of all, we discuss what are the topics involved in introduction. Meaning of Management Accounting, definition of Management Accounting, scope and importance of Management Accounting, limitations, Management Accounting versus Cost Accounting, and Management Accounting versus Financial Accounting. These are the topics involved in the introduction. Meaning of Management Accounting. The term Management Accounting consists of two words, management and accounting. It is the study of managerial aspects of accounting. It is a tool in the hands of management to exercise decision making. The emphasis of management accounting is to redesign accounting in a manner which is helpful to the management is framing the policies and control of their execution. Management accounting is nothing but it's helpful to take a decision in organization, and it's very helpful and useful to frame the policies and their control. Definition of management accounting. According to J. Batty defines management accounting as the term used to describe the accounting methods, system and techniques which coupled with special knowledge and ability assist management in a task of maximizing profit and minimizing loss. Batty definition describes management accounting as a combination of various accounting systems and techniques which are designed to meet the needs of the management. According to Batty, he defines management accounting as a combination of various accounting systems and techniques, and he said it was very helpful to maximizing profit and minimizing the losses. The above, we have already seen what is management accounting and its definition. Now we are going to see about scope of management. It consists 9 scope. Let's see one by one. Financial accounting. Financial accounting deals with financial aspects like revenue, profit, liquidity, etc. And by preparing profit and loss account and balance sheet. Management accounting rearranges and uses the financial statement. Cost accounting. Cost accounting is an essential part of management accounting. It also provides information regarding cost of products. Management accounting make use of its data by focusing it towards managerial decision. Third one is budgeting and forecasting. Budgeting means setting targets by estimating expenses and revenues for a period. Forecasting is nothing but predicting what will happen as a result. Inventory control. Inventory control involves planning, coordination and control of inventory, management, etc. Helps to control the inventories. Statistical analysis. More statistical tools are applied. The tools include charts, graph, diagram, index, etc. Analysis of data. Financial statement are analyzed and compare with past statement or compare with other firms. Internal audit. Internal audit helps the management in fixing individual responsibilities. And the final scope is methods and procedures. Methods and procedures include system of data. It should be efficient and effective. Limitation of management accounting. The following are the limitations of management accounting. Dependence of basic work. Management accounting does not maintain any primary records properly. It derives all the primary data from the financial accounting or cost accounting. So it was a major disadvantage. Personal bias. Personal judgment and usage of discretion become necessary in several areas of management accounting. Personal bias can affect the objectivity and effectiveness management. Management accounting is a only tool. Management accounting cannot be considered as an alternative to management. They should be an only tool to take a decision in management. Management accounting provides only data. The main function of management accounting is to provide data in form of alternatives to the management. Board based scope. The scope of management opportunity is very wide and board based. It takes information from the various disciplines like financial accounting, economics, statistics, cost accounting, etc. It consists both monetary and non-monetary transaction of the firm. Resistant to change. Installation of management accounting involves basic charges in the organization. Costly to install. The management account as a time more costly to install. Difference between management accounting and cost accounting. Purpose. The main purpose of cost accounting is to ascertain and control the cost of products. The management accounting purpose is to give information for taking decision. Emphasis. Cost accounting is based on both historical and present data, but management accounting deals with future data. Principle and procedures. Established procedures and practices are followed in cost accounting. No such procedures are followed in management accounting. Data used. Cost accounting uses the qualitative data, but management accounting uses both qualitative and quantitative data. And finally, scope. Management account includes financial accounting, cost accounting, budget, tax planning, and reporting to the management. Cost accounting is concentrated mainly with ascertaining the cost and control. The last topic of the introduction is difference between management accounting and financial accounting. Purpose. The purpose of financial accounting is to ascertain profit or loss by preparing P&L account and reveal their financial position. The purpose of management accounting is to provide information to the management to taking decision and internal operation. Nature. The nature of financial accounting is recording the past activities, and the management accounting concentrate with future plans. Analysis and interpretation of data. Financial accounting analyzes data for the business as a whole, but management accounting analyzes data or performance of different departments. Flexibility. Financial accounting are prepared as per the guidelines given by the Income Tax Act and Companies Act. Management accounting follow the requirements of the management in the preparation of various statements. Legal requirement. Financial accounting has become compulsory as per the statutory requirement. Management accounting is a voluntary adaptation. Audit. The financial statements are audited by the CA, Chartered Accountant. The managed account involves only internal audit. The board of directors audit and gave the report. Format of statement. Management accounting expresses an income or reported by various responsibilities entries. In financial accounting, it relates and prepared under different forms as revenue, capital, property, etc. Unit of account. Financial accounting consider the whole enterprises as a single unit of account, but management accounting present a